Hello everyone. Let's start talking about criteria for congruence of triangles. Look at these two triangles. Now, we know that two triangles are congruent if all the corresponding parts of these triangles are congruent. Now, what do we mean by corresponding parts? We know that the parts of the triangles are angle, sides, and vertices. So, we can say that all these corresponding parts of these two triangles, if they are congruent, then we can say that these two triangles are congruent. So, the question here is, do we need to compare all the six parts of the triangles just to prove the congruency of triangles? Well, the answer is no. Fortunately, we have certain conditions available, and if one of these conditions get fulfilled, then we can say that the triangles are congruent to each other. So, we can use any of these available conditions to prove that two triangles are congruent. The first condition is SSS congruence criteria. That is side, side, side. Now look at these two triangles. In this triangle ABC, AB is 3.5, and in this triangle PR, that is, we will read it as RP, is 3.5. BC is 7.1, and in this triangle PQ is 7.1. Similarly, CA is 5 centimeter, and here QR is 5 centimeter. Now, since all these three sides of the triangle are equal, so we can easily say that these two triangles are congruent with SSS, that is side, side, side criteria. So, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR, but we have given it a name like this, so we will read it as ABC is congruent to RPQ. We know that it's not only necessary to prove the criteria regarding the congruency, but it is also necessary to match the vertices of the two triangles. And so it becomes very necessary for us to name the triangle accordingly. So here a triangle would be triangle ABC is congruent to triangle RPQ. So now we can say that if the three sides of one triangle are respectively equal to the three sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are said congruent. And with which condition they are congruent? Simple, SSS, that is side, side, side. Now, this condition is possible only if we are given the length of the three sides of a triangle. Because if the length of the three sides of triangle is available, then only we can prove this criteria. And we can prove the congruency of triangles using this criteria SSS. There are some other criteria that we will look later on.